So, hinahanap ko yung comment section at now, nawala na siya. So, kapag ginanun mo pala siya, direct na. Okay. Sige. Tuloy na natin tong Battlefield net.
Your team is picked.
I, Minotaur, will finish off what was left undone.
Then, dahil hindi tayo
As timeless
nakapag-pick
as
ng
a glacier's
napili
heart.
ng Munton is si Granger. Show natin yung natin. Kasi mababa lang. Gugulatin natin sila. Akala nila talaga tayong pumili nun. Pero hindi. So, ito na. Panoorin niya. Paano tayo manalo or matalo?
I do what I
Pag
want.
nanalo to, maliligo na ako. Pero pag dito nanalo, hindi tayo makakaligo. Isang game pa. Okay, tingnan natin kung gaano tatagal tong laro na to. So, ayun na nga mga loads. Ngayon pa lang tayo natututo mag-upload. Kaya, pag nanood kayo sa akin, in-upload ng mga video, is matatawa kayo kasi hindi pa ako aware na naririnig ako dito sa live ko. Na pag in-upload ko, ganun pala kalakas yung boses ko. So, ito na. Hindi ko doon kayang i-edit. Kaya, tuloy lang. Nauna kasi,
5
medyo,
seconds till the enemy reaches
masyadong
the
ko sa laro na yung sabi
battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Try. Escape my sight.
Pag-Granger ko, mga kaibigan ko. Na, panoorin nyo.
First blood.
Ginamit ko ng ganda.
I fight for myself. No one else.
An enemy has been slain.
Raiders with your corpse. Your death is amusing. Want to take a look inside?
Kung gaano kadaming skin na itong meron ako binigay ng siyempre,
Behold! Crescendo bullets!
An enemy has been slain.
Let's make this quick.
You have slain an enemy. Ally has been slain. Request backup.
Your death is useless.
Okay. An enemy has been slain. Request backup.
Try escaping my sight.
Request backup. You have slain an enemy. An ally has slain the dragon.
Wanna take a look inside?
paano kakatay dun? Sumali tayo sa quest ng mga kaibigan. yabangan na rin natin.
Initiate retreat.
Let's make this quick.
Mukhang yung ano,
Your death is
Initiate retreat.
here.
Ally has been slain.
Wanna take a look inside?
Launch attack.
I'll compose the greatest novel.
Killing spree. Initiate retreat.
Don't even try to escape my sight.
Baliir.
I'll compose
Kill. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Killing spree. Shut down. Request backup.
Mag-slow siya, pero yun, hindi pa rin natin kinaya.
Initiate retreat.
Oh, asa. Okay.
Don't even try escaping my
So,
sight.
papakita natin ngayon na
Battle spell and
hindi
request
pa red lang
backup.
ating Petri.
Initiate retreat. Request backup. Understood.
Years.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack.
Pero, wow.
Wanna take a look inside? Let's make this quick.
Our turret is under attack. Monster kill.
I send our bullets.
Ano?
I'll compose the greatest.
Ally has been. You have slain an enemy.
I am myself.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Maganda-ganda. Maganda-gandang tips.
Wanna take a look inside? Send our bullets.
Request backup.
Siyempre, hanapin ko magaling.
An enemy has destroyed a
So,
turret.
wala na tayong gitna, wala na tayong mid.
Launch attack.
Na tore. Kukuha na naman tayo ng turtle sa panibagong
Don't even try escaping my sight.
Nakawawa po kami ng Laila. Ayun, namahabuti.
Request backup.
Ano na lang para
Let's make this quick.
Team destroyed a turret. An ally has slain the turtle.
Wala.
Behold. Send our bullets.
Initiate retreat.
Wanna take a look inside?
An
music to my ears.
Our turret is under attack. Enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Ito niyo, hindi pa rin ako nawa nito. Nakaligtas tayo! Nakabukit mo doon. Your
I
head.
only fight for
Killing
myself.
spree.
No one else.
Yung your head. Inayin ka naman.
Oh, the greatest knowledge of your corpse. Let's make this quick.
Ano ang ina-advance ko na ginagawa. Lagi lang ako nakatingin sa mapa.
Your death is music to my ears. Behold, my crescendo of blood.
Been slain. Kill.
Patangwari. Pero yun, ang galing solid yung mga
Slay.
kampi
Shut
natin.
down.
Yung natira na lang si Natalia. Ayan. Si Natalia, tsaka
An enemy has been slain.
siyempre kita na naman.
Unstoppable.
Sino pa? Magaling yung ano namin. Magaling yung mage.
Don't even try escaping my sight.
An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Tutulungan ko ba sila? Ang magpa-farm tayo. Kukuha tayo
I
ng
will compose the greatest sonata of your corpse. I only fight for myself. No one
ito lang, dito
else.
lang kayo makakita na upload sa background na aso.
Request backup. Ally has been slain. Monster kill.
Tinutulungan tayo ng aso namin sa
Double kill. You have slain an enemy. Triple kill. Double kill. Launch attack. Request backup.
Let's make this
Ayan, sumunod nga siya.
Slain Lord.
Ginalingan nga niya.
Request backup.
Behold, my crescendo of blood.
Bagay ko rin.
Request backup.
Your death.
Killing slain.
Tapos yun.
Your team destroyed. Mega kill. An enemy
KS yun. Tawag doon.
Don't even try escaping my sight.
Tingnan natin kung tayo. Testisang ko sana para
Your team destroyed a turret.
kaso mo.
Behold, crescendo of blood.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ginamitan na retrieve, booming, pakataywan.
Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary.
Uy, lagi ako nililipas
Ay.
ng mix namin. Hindi mo na nakikita yun, my hero.
No one else. escape from my sight.
Sige, ito kanya-kanya na lang yan.
Launch
Let's
attack!
make it quick.
Paano?
My God.
Naglig po tayo ng
Your death. Music in my ears.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack! Triple kill!
Yes! Panalo! Panibagong upload yan! Wait na lang.
Victory!
Siguro naman, hindi tayo tagilid dyan. Ayun. Dahil dyan, follow natin siya.